Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable flashlight when incoming call on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic light. Now from here, just make sure you enable dynamic light. Now from here, in the incoming calls section, just make sure you enable incoming calls. Now once you enable this feature, the light on the back of the smartphone will start blinking when you receive a call, just like that. Just like that. Now from here, if you want to enable the flashlight for the incoming calls, just go back. Now from here, just tap on flash notifications. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, just tap on turn on. Now from here, once you enable this option, the flash of your smartphone will start blinking when you receive a call. And this is how you can enable flashlight when incoming calls on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.